Good morning, everyone. On our way over to the ridge just south of home, about, I don't know, midway through the property. Gonna do a little clearing today. We're gonna put the sawmill over here. Hello, dear. And need to start clearing out some of these oaks that are overgrown. So we got a nice flat spot to put it. Sun's out today and brought my lunch with me, so we've got a full day's worth of work. So this is going to be one of our campsites eventually. Just a platform for now, but it works. Hey dear. Nice little buck. Sorry, buddy. And the sawmill's going to go down there in all of that thicket. So we're going to work on starting the process of cleaning it out. So the plan is to have the sawmill somewhere in this little draw right here where the tractor is. So we're going to get rid of these, open that up a little bit so I can load stuff in and out from the little road, clean up this other stuff. Some of these low branches, might keep these two trees here, we'll see. Those are going to go. That's where we're going to start today and then work our way into this. So eventually we could have a nice flat spot for the sawmill building to be built somewhere in here. I'm hoping to keep this cedar and this big pine, but we'll see. We'll see how things look once we get it opened up here. Well, all done for today. Got actually more than I'd hoped to. This is where the tractor was parked this morning. Got things taken out. I don't know, 15, 20 of these live oaks cleaned up. Everything's chipped. Still have a bunch of firewood to take care of, but plenty of room now for the sawmill.